Hello friends, welcome to the magic of smartphone with Asha Kulkarni. Today's topic is social media in marketing. How do you use social media for your marketing of your company? Okay, now supposing this XYZ is your company. This is newly launched and I want to market this company. How would you do it? You would advertise in TV station, radio, satellite, or newspapers, magazines, mailing companies, all these different ways of marketing, right? But this will cost you lakhs and lakhs of rupees. This will cost you lakhs and lakhs of rupees when you do it on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis, yearly basis. This will cost a lot. But today we have so much options. We have so many free options. This can be done for zero. Exactly, zero. How can we do that? It's in social media. You can do your massive media advertisements in this different types of social media that are available. Okay. Now here you can see there are different social medias where you can do your marketing in social media. The first one here I have taken is Facebook. Facebook, you go to Facebook usually for your letters, birthday, anniversaries, information about your friend circle, your family members, your company friends, colleagues, everybody. Facebook, you just advertise in your Facebook account and see the difference. Then next is Twitter. Twitter is also a very good social media where all the magazine stuff is given, gossip is given, trends are given. You can give your tweet on Twitter in your account or your company's account, right? Then another is blogging. Blogging has taken the place of the newspapers. The journalists, everybody writes articles and everything in the blogs nowadays. You can make a blog of your own company here, of your product here separately, anything. Blogging has taken the place of the newspapers now. Then you have Instagram. Instagram has taken the place of photo albums. Whatever photos you want to give, you can give it through Instagram. Instagram is a picture which says more than words. Any picture that says more than words about your product, you can put it on Instagram. Then you have LinkedIn. LinkedIn has all the resumes and the business cards. Many customers you can get through LinkedIn where they can see your business cards and you can always see the resumes as well. Okay. Then you have this podcast. Podcast has been replaced by the radio stations. All the players, the music players and everything has been replaced in podcast. You can go through podcast and listen to the music there. Then you have live TV nowadays. You have live serials which you can see on TV. Live TV on your mobile smartphone, right? Then you have this 360 degrees also. Then you have Periscope. Whatever you want you can do on your Periscope also. You can just give your live footage on your live TV. Okay. Then you have your YouTube. YouTube has completely replaced TV. Many people nowadays prefer YouTube to TV. YouTube, they have their own channels, they have their own matter what you want. You just watch, search for the thing that you want and just check it on YouTube. So all these things have been replaced with your zero cost. With your zero cost. In this you can get as many customers. You can get as many unknown customers. You don't have to approach them singly. You have to just do your social networking, social media marketing in all these sites, in all these ways that you can do here. Many companies have met their customers through these sites and made through these platforms. Many people also say, oh, so much I cannot do all these things. Who's going to manage? I don't have time for all this. I would say this is the lack of efficiency. You don't have to have so much time. You don't have to use money in the first place. And secondly, you don't got to use all your time doing updating this. In blogs, like example I'm just saying, for blogs, once a week at night, blog once a week at night is more than enough. If you can go for 2 to 3 times a week also, but then still blogging just once a week is more than enough. Okay, preferably on a Sunday night if you have. Then you have Twitter. On Twitter also you have news in the morning. You can check it out, check all the news in the morning, say early morning 5:36. Just give 20 to 30 minutes. Don't go beyond that. There's no need. Okay, and you post your tweets also there only. In that 20 to 30 minutes in a day, preferably in the morning, of course, in a day. Then you have Instagram. Instagram, you can just post one pic per day. You can post just one pic per day. That will just take, I think, about 5 minutes or so, not more than that, 5 minutes or so more. Okay, then you have YouTube. You can just post 1 to 2 videos a week. You don't have to post every day a video. Okay, you can just post 1 or 2 videos per week. It is more than enough for your products. Okay, then you have your Facebook. On Facebook, just go to Facebook once a day, how much ever time you want, say about half an hour, 45 minutes, at the most 1 hour. Facebook is more than enough. Then you have LinkedIn. You don't have to go for much time. You have to just give 10 minutes a week to find out new persons who have linked with you or whom you want to link to. Okay, I think that 10 minutes is more than enough. 10 minutes is more than enough. So how much time did this take? I'm talking about on a weekly basis. Hardly any time. You don't have to be on the social media the whole time. You can just get your responses and check your responses once a day. More than enough. And rest of the time you can give to your product or to your meetings and everything. Here your social media is done freely. Yes, freely, and to a vast customers. You can get as many customers as you want depending on your product. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please share this video and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.